Hello and welcome back to Green Money Momentum, where we talk about market movements, making money, and money momentum. Today we're going to be talking about Trump Media and Technology Group, DJT. The stock saw a lot of momentum today, up over 12%, and it is still shooting up in the after hours. We are only a day away from the election, and there's a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. And as always, I want to say that this is not financial advice, and I always recommend doing your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. So as I'm recording this video the day before the elections, we are down 15% for the week, but we are up 87% for the month. And then when we look at the year to date, we are up 97%. You could see that we were having quite a bit of momentum going on the upside recently. The bulls were pretty strong. We saw the stock go all the way up to $51 before there was some halting, manipulation, and Robinhood taking away a lot of margin, and with some natural profit taking, we saw the stock retract back down. But today we did have a nice 12% gain, and now we are sitting at around $35, which puts us at around this support level. If the bulls continue to see positive price momentum going into tomorrow, the next resistance level would be at 40. Then around the $45 to $47 range for Mr. Trump, and after that we'd be right at around $50. So first off, I want to discuss, there was a lot of selling before the weekend, and I think a lot of it, of course, was profit taking, but also there was a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the markets. So with all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt of the margin being taken away, and also the halting of the stock, a lot of people sold out of their positions, what I consider to be too early. And just remember that Joe Biden wasn't actually called the president until the Saturday following the election. So last year it was also on Tuesday, and the president wasn't called until Saturday. So that whole week, we didn't know who the president actually was going to be. And this is crazy because, again, we have Donald J. Trump's name attached to this stock. So this is unprecedented, and this is the first time we've ever seen anything like this before. And this is very important to remember because I'm seeing a lot of financial channels on YouTube talk about how DJT is just a quick pump and dump, and that basically November 5th is the day, so that's the day when everyone's going to sell it. And others think that it's as soon as Donald Trump gets elected, that's when the stock will moon from there. I personally have been predicting that there's going to be some momentum going into the stock into the election, which has happened, and I believe that this could even be looked at as a little bit of a long term after the election. Now, some people will call me crazy. I say that because there's a lot of events coming up. So we have the election on Tuesday. DJT is going to announce earnings on Friday. And then also we're most likely going to have the president be called out over the weekend. So we have all that happening this week. And then we also have the inauguration in January. So I believe with the inauguration in January, this stock is going to be looked at by a lot of people again. And I think the best time to prepare for that is going to be now and then after Trump gets elected, sometime in November or December, before the momentum starts to really get crazy in January when he becomes the sitting president of the United States. And this is just showing the volume for Donald Trump's stock right here. We can see that the volume is shooting up significantly in these last couple weeks. So there's a lot of investors jumping into this play. And the betting markets are in the favor of Trump, so we have seen a significant jump in the betting markets today. We were a lot more even yesterday, looking like it was going to come to about 50-50, but Trump has really taken the lead in the betting market. And for anyone who didn't see this, this gets me really excited. Donald Trump just put on his community page on YouTube yesterday, he put, "I love Truth Social." And you can see that there hasn't been any inside trades since August. And if we're talking about insiders, Trump is the biggest insider of them all. He said he has absolutely no intention of selling, same here, and that he owns almost 60% of the stake in the business. So with Donald Trump being the main holder in this company and him saying he's not going to sell, you better bet that the shares are going to continue to gain value. And I want to finish off with this. In my last video, I talked about how I went to both the Trump and the Kamala Harris rallies out here in Arizona, and I got this hate comment, so I want to address this. He said the cult members wore their hats to the rally, so it was more cooler. This loser wishes he had a girlfriend. And so I present you this picture. This is me and my girlfriend at the Donald Trump rally. So contrary to what this YouTube comment believes, I do have a girlfriend who loves and supports me and also went to these rallies with me. It's not like I'm a total fanboy or anything and I'm pushing the narrative. I am simply just talking about this stock because I believe it. I think this is a huge momentum play being so close to the election. We've never seen anything like this. A president being attached to a stock and running for president and all that. It's just crazy time. So So I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this stock. Please drop a comment down in the section below. Please leave a like and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.